eat the light, right? Skip everybody. You can't lane split.
Cause they be getting exposed. They be getting exposed.
All these cars out here struggling. All-wheel drive, Papa. That's why you gotta get all-wheel drive and a dash cam. No lights. Look at this. He gotta wait till I pass so he could get around. I gotta go around these cars, make sure I don't get. And he gotta go around that car. How many cars are on the light?
They be getting exposed. They be getting exposed.
Oh, the car went off the road. Damn. Speeding. I bet you he was speeding. Look at this. At least there's a little more space on this side. Hey, what are you doing, son? Hey. He's confused. Like, what the hell? Doesn't make a left, he goes straight. Can't. Damn. How that happened? This motherfucker said, I don't give a fuck. I'm gonna eat that light. Man, he just totally. The hell came. Oh, so what do you do there? Man, that guy just ate the light.
I gotta take care of the
This
house.
one too. The hell?
I gotta get.
No, this cars are just eating lights here. Both sides.
70.
Getting worse. Why is this guy? What the f is wrong with him? You know what? I'm staying behind. I'm not even gonna pass him. On Friday too.
There's a tree coming.
It's the one that skipped everybody. KXU2605. What today? What's up with that? They have like a what? Damn, this car is crazy. Look at that case age. Nothing to do. Am green. 65. When he slows down, why? Angry 63S. When he slows down. AMG RY 63S. You got a speed addiction. Oh man, can't make this up. The white, and it was like an SUV, but it was like one of those like sport up SUVs. Anyway. Anyway, I gotta see. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Told you. What did I say, guys? What did I fucking say? What did I fucking say? Look at this. Multiple cars. Multiple fucking cars. What did I fucking tell you, guys? What did I fucking say? Wow.
Oh.
And then the roll rolled. And the roll rolled. What was it? What is it? What is it?
There's a really bad pothole there. And I tried to miss it, but I hit it.
Because the car was going. What happened to the wheel? Is it okay?
I don't know.